All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Catitru 1080p wide angle plug and play webcam. Okay, now I decided to pick up a webcam specifically because I wanted to have better visuals for my discussion-based, specs-based comparison videos that I do for you guys and gals. And also, along with that, I also picked up a really nice, inexpensive microphone. And if you follow me on YouTube, if you check out my community tab, you can see what I picked up. So I picked up this webcam, the Catitru 1080p webcam, and I also picked up a really nice Comica microphone. All right, and I'm gonna give my unboxings and first impressions of this webcam. So we're gonna go through the packaging, the presentation, and then I'm going to set it up and give y'all a sample of how it performs, and then I'm gonna let you guys and gals know what I think of it in terms of first impressions. Now, if you guys and gals would like any more coverage of this webcam, please let me know down below in the comments of this video. Also, if this video piques your guys and gals interest, all the links to where y'all can pick up this webcam will be linked up down below in the video description as well. And the video description will contain affiliate buy links, meaning that if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using the links down below in the video description, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. Today's video is being recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the iPhone 13 Pro Max in 1080p as well, with no external microphone hooked up. So let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality, the overall audio quality, and the overall stabilization coming out of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Anyways, housekeeping done, let's get into today's unboxing and first impressions. Now, starting off with the packaging here, Catitru, and I know I'm butchering that name. I'll put the B-roll up in post so y'all can see what it's supposed to say and what it looks like, but I know I'm butchering that. But Catitru actually had a relatively inexpensive, high-quality webcam, and one of the reasons why I decided to pick this up was it also has built-in microphones, and everything is plug and play. So there's no additional software that I may need to download and load up to my computer or whatever I want to use this webcam with. So that was two really nice features that I was looking at when I was looking at picking up this webcam, along with the price. This, and I'm going to get the pricing out the way up front, this bad boy ran me $10.69. Before taxes, it was $9.99. After taxes, it came up to $10.69. So y'all do the math there. But let's get into this. Now, talking about the packaging and presentation, I have to say this is really, really nice. Really nice presentation here. So you just got what the camera features on the top of the box here. Again, built-in stereo microphones, privacy cover, plug and play. It does come with a tripod, or at least it has a tripod mount, so I can mount this onto a tripod if I would like. Flipping it to the side here, again, it just highlights all of those features again. So full 1080p video capture, plug and play, so no additional software needed, built-in microphones, and it should have a rotatable clip. So it is 360 degree rotatable, so very, very nice. Nothing on the other sides, okay? And, you know, just some things that you can use it for. So it does have a wide angle field of view. It does have autofocus. There are beauty modes built in. I'm probably going to turn those off ASAP. And you can use it for video calls as well. All right, so really, really good stuff there. Okay. Barcode information on the back or the bottom here. And yeah, that pretty much does it. Let's crack into this box. All right, throw this off to the side. Try not to hit my keyboard. And here we have it. So this should be the camera and the tripod. Let me rest that down real quick. And then we have the user manual in here. I'm going to check this out off camera when I'm doing the setup. But yeah, that's pretty much it in the box. Let me throw this off to the side. And let's take a look here. So it does look like it comes with a really long, oh, everything's all attached. Okay. So it is indeed plug and play, popping it out the bag. So you just have to run this USB to whatever you want to use it with, and there you have it. So prime example, I'm going to be using this with my computer. All I have to do is plug this into one of the USB ports on my computer, and we should be good to go. And here's what the camera looks like. And it is fully adjustable right there. And we do have our privacy flap. So really, really nice. And this should open up as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this opens up. So you can mount this or you can lay it flat. And it does have some really nice padding on it as well. So really, really good stuff there. Now, from the material that I saw, you can actually mount this on like a laptop. And that's why that padding is essential, so you don't mess up your laptop when you mount it. And this is 360-degree rotatable. So if I wanted to rotate it like this, all right, and you should be able to tilt this as well. I think that's as far as it tilts. Okay, but it does go down. But yeah, that's as far as it tilts. But you can rest it down like this or prop it up on something and use it like this. So I'm actually going to prop it on something. Or as a matter of fact, I wonder if it will clamp onto the top of my TV here that I also use as a monitor, and I'll be able to use it like that. I'm going to experiment with some setup, and you know, we'll see how it goes. But that's essentially all there is to it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a few minutes. I'm going to get familiar with it. I'm going to set it up, and I'm going to give y'all a sample of how the video quality and audio quality performs. So give me a little bit. Let me set it up. Let me get it in the position that I think I'm going to like. Let me see if I can mount it on my TV. And I'm going to come back with a sample for you guys and gals of the video quality and the onboard microphone quality. All right. Give me a little bit. I'll be right back with everyone. Okay. Okay. All right. So I just wanted to show y'all the setup that I decided to go with. So along with the built-in clamp, it does have a tripod mount thread right there at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I've taken one of my favorite mini tripods, my Manfrotto. I've been using this Manfrotto for years. This is one of my favorites. And I'm just going to mount the webcam on here and then position it on my desk. All right. And then try to get a really good angle for it. So let me show y'all real quick. So here is my TV that I also use as a monitor. And you can see my mini PC right there off to the side. And so basically all I'm going to do is mount the webcam onto my tripod here, try to find a really good angle for it, and then position it facing me. And then I should easily be able to run the USB cable straight to my PC, and we should be good to go. So I just wanted to show y'all that. All right, so now let me go ahead and get that set up, and I'll be right back with everyone to show y'all how the quality and microphones are of this webcam. All right, let's do this. I wanted to show y'all this as well. So I was able to mount it on top of my TV here because it just has a spring-loaded clip with an adjustable base on the back. So all I had to do was position it and then slide that clip forward or backwards, and now it holds itself into place. So I just wanted to show y'all this. So I was able to mount it on my mini Manfrotto here. I had to take my base plate off, but it's actually easier to mount it on my TV here. Now, it does have a really wide field of view, so you can actually see everything in my bedroom just about. So y'all gonna have to forgive some of the stuff. But now, let me give y'all a sample of the direct video and audio recording from the cameras. Give me 1 sec, I'll be right back. All right, everyone, so now I just wanted to show you real quickly a sample of how the Catitru 1080p wide angle webcam performs. So this is what y'all are seeing right now. This is actually set up, as I showed y'all earlier, mounted on top of my TV right here. And as you can see, it does indeed give you an extremely wide field of view. Alright? And also, what you guys and gals are hearing right now is an example of the onboard microphones for the Catitru 1080p webcam. Okay? And basically, all I did was plug it into my computer and then launch it via OBS, and that's it. I just launched it, made sure OBS detected it, made sure the audio source was detected, and then I just pushed start recording. So this is an example of the footage that you can get out of this webcam, and this is an example of the audio that you can get out of this webcam as well. And as I showed y'all in a previous clip, I did have it mounted to my Miniman Frodo, but then I thought it might be better if I mounted it to my TV here, because now I can just look straight ahead at my TV like I'm talking to you guys and just talk. And I gotta say, this footage actually looks really good. With my studio lights on and my overhead smart lights on, this footage actually looks really, really good. Now, it is a lot wider than I wanted it to be, because traditionally when I'm shooting talking head footage like this, I do crop the footage so y'all can't see as much of my bedroom, but you can almost see the entirety of my whole room, including my bed, right? So this is actually a very, very good wide angle camera. Okay? But essentially, guys and gals, that does it for this real quick unboxing and first impressions video of the Catitru 1080p wide angle webcam. Okay? Now, first impressions, and it really was super easy to set up. Okay? I just untangled the cable and mounted it, plugged it in, the recording light came on, the audio light came on, and we are good to go, right? And then you just open the privacy flap, you push record, and you're good to go. And same thing too, if I wanted to take a web call now, I pull up Zoom or whatever I want to take my web call with, and I can use this webcam right now. So that's actually really, really nice. I like that a lot. But anyways, I'm probably going to be using this, as I said earlier in the video, for my specs-based, comparison-based, discussion-based videos, along with the microphone, the Comica microphone that I have coming soon. But you guys and gals, let me know what you think. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this footage. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, please remember, if you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it. Now, I don't know which direction is which, because I'm looking at the TV, so you get notified when new videos go live on the channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will see everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. That's pretty good. I gotta say, that's pretty good.